More specifications of the upcoming foldable from Honor have just been leaked. We're talking about the Honor Magic V, the next foldable that promises not only to be very thin, but also to have a very good battery, which was one of the biggest concerns for many users when they saw that a very thin foldable was being discussed. But through this leak, we have learned that the battery would reach 5,200 milliampere hours, despite its thickness being 9.7 mm. So we would be talking about a larger battery than the previous generation in a thinner body than the previous generation, which would definitely be very super attractive, especially considering that the weight would be 226 g, which again could be placed within a segment of very lightweight devices, considering that we are indeed talking about an extremely high-end foldable device. High-end devices are generally not known for being very lightweight, and foldables even less so, but in this case it might be on par with or even lighter than other high-end traditional format devices. In fact, indeed. So it is definitely definite that Honor will undoubtedly bet heavily on this device, which apparently would include a 50 megapixel main camera, in addition to the ultra-wide camera and the periscope camera with a 3.5 times optical zoom. The outlet Wild Lab has also been able to access this device before its launch and has recently published photographs of it so you can see it in real life and in the market. The design definitely looks attractive, especially because of the octagonal module with rounded corners of the camera. You can also see that the fold area is not very visible. In fact, they have also published a gallery of photos taken with this device where we can see its photographic capabilities. Definitely in portrait mode, it looks good, it looks interesting. Normally, foldables are not known for having very attractive cameras, but it seems that Honor wants to change this by offering more advanced photography. Although in this case, it seems that the hair areas are not as well defined as we would like, but overall it looks like a good quality photo. So there is little time left to learn more additional details about this foldable, which will be launched in China on July 12th.